Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is grammar C, D and E. So let's start our class. At first, this is number C. Write the missing feminine nouns. So here some words are masculine and some words are here feminine. That means here in the left side the words are masculine. Okay. And this one is feminine. So at first this is dog. Masculine, that means there are some words that actually indicates the male body. Okay, they may be the person or the animals, but they actually indicate the males. Okay, and the feminine are, there are some words that actually indicate the girls or the female portion. Okay, these words actually indicate, so they are called feminine. So these are the masculine genders. At first dog, and the feminine genders dog, bitch, B-I-T-C-H, bitch. Then lion, L-I-O-N, lion, and the feminine word is lioness, L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness, L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Then boy, B-O-Y, boy, and the feminine word is girl, G-I-R-L, girl, G-I-R-L, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. This is brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. And this is sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Now father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. And then mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. K-I-N-G, king. And this is queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Man, M-A-N, man, and woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle, and aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt. So these are masculine and these are feminine. Now go to the next. This is D. Fill in the blanks with consonant. Number 1. It will be dash A-C-E, and in the dash, the first dash it is F, and the second dash this is C. So the word is F-A-C-E, face. Number 2, C-O-N. It is clown, C-L-O-W-N, clown. Number 3, dash I-E, and in the first dash this is K, and the second dash this is T. So K-I-T-E, kite. Now number 4, this is violin, V-I-O, viol, dash I, dash. In the first dash this is L, and in the second dash N, and then the full word is violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Number 5, van, V-A dash. In the dash this is N, V-A-N, van. Number 6, dash A-T. Here M-A-T, mat. Number 6. Now the last exercise. This is number E. Write the names of 12 months. Number 1 is January. The 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. January. February. A-R-Y, February. M-A-R-C-H, March. A-P-R-I-L, April. Number 5, M-A-Y, May. Number 6 is June, J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. Number 7 is July, J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. J-U-L-Y, July. Number 8 is August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. A-U-G-U-S-T, August. Number 9, September, S-E-P, Sep, T-E-M, Tem, Septem, B-E-R, Ber, September. Number 10 is October, O-C, T-O, Octo, B-E-R, October. Number 11, November, N-O, No, V-E-M, Vem, Novem, B-E-R, November. And number 12 is December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. So these are 12 months of the year. And students, now HW is grammar, C and D. Your HW is grammar, C and D. Okay students, that's all for today. See you in the next class inshallah. Allah Hafiz.